Leading sports, the Rooster Fijian Drua women's team will be travelling to Australia to take on the second-place Queensland Reds in a sudden-death semi-final in the Super Rugby Women's competition. The third-ranked team in the standings are well aware of how critical this match will be for the side, and the Ifiremi Rawanga coach side is working the hard yards to get their game right this weekend. Vinina Songanga with this report.
It's back to business for the Rooster Fijian Drua women's team as they return from bye week and looks ahead to their semi-final match. Assistant coach Apenisa Nasilasila reveals that the girls are aware of how critical the preparation is going into this weekend's match.
Especially with the prep we have this week, coming off a week off after our game against the Force. The girls have regrouped. We've gone into training since it's a very special week for us. We're going in the semi-finals in Brisbane. So far, the prep has been good. Everything that we hope to bring for the week. The girls have been briefed of how important this week is, and going into Brisbane this week, the girls are preparing very well.
The former two-time Super Rugby champions have had a lot to work on this week after their last meeting with the Reds at Lautoka's Churchill Park, suffering a 22-19 loss.
We talked about that, especially since our last round, they came in at us, Churchill Park. We're not fortunate enough to win that, but we've got our learnings from that. And they're into the semis for a reason. They played a very good game in their last round, which made them a place above us in the tables. With so much respect, we're going into the Brisbane or the Reds game in Brisbane, knowing full well how they will be in front of their home crowd and the advantage that they have. But the girls have been prepped very, I would say, clinically on how to approach this match.
Nasilasila adds that they've had only one serious injury in the squad. However, the rest is available for selection.
We've just, since coming in from the week, after the bye week, the girls are the only injuries the only highly player that's injured from the last game against the Force is one of our backline players, Josie. So she's ruled out for this week, and we're unfortunate enough to have that ACL injury.
The Rooster Fijian Drua women's team will face Queensland Reds in the Super Rugby semi-finals on Sunday, 6 April at 3:05 p.m. at Ballymore Stadium. Venina Songanga, Fiji One News.